Hey guys, happy March? Yeah, or happy New Year, I guess. This is my first video of the whole year, and I've been putting off making videos for way too long now, only to realize that I really enjoy, or at least I enjoy the thought of making videos. And so this is the first one of March, and happy March 1 now. It's raining here in LA and it feels really nice because we've been having a drought and stuff. And the only thing that scares me are the mudslides happening. Good thing we're not living in that area. But it is inconvenient when it starts raining hard and you're still in school and you end up taking videos of your friends suffering in the pouring rain as you watch them from a distance in the college center. I mean, I'm good at keeping myself safe, but I'm such a spoiled weather person kind of thing. I'm such a spoiled weather person because I found it inconvenient that it's raining here in LA when in other parts of America it's snowing, or worse yet, there's shortages in water down south. And I'm just here thinking about how the rain is making my books wet. Not that books are important, just saying. There are other worse things that could ever happen in this world, and getting your books wet is not as bad. Basically, what I've decided to do for this channel is to just post videos I want and not think about the other people that are watching. I just want to show you guys, and I think it's taken me 2 months just to formalize that decision, and I think I'm never going back from that. I hope. I would just like to wish you guys happy March 1. I'm sorry for not staring into the lens at all. Hopefully, other videos will be less gloomy and less rainy. And to make up for the time that you guys lost by watching this video, I will show you guys footages of my... I don't know what to call it. It's just footages of rain and stuff. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day, and I hope you guys have a great Saturday, or maybe Sunday when I post this. And I don't really have a sign off, so have a great day. Ding. Asian sign.
Feels like I've been here so many times before, trying to outrun my shadows and get lost forevermore in the rain.
Whoa, it's funny.
Get lost in the rain.
Okay,
I traveled down this highway so many times before, and whatever I've been searching, I can't find anymore in the rain.
Yesterday was hot. It was really hot.
Get lost in the rain.
Oh, this I thought you.
And while you're on the road,
He has refuge under the thing. And now he's leaving.
will you be thinking of me? I know I'll
Maybe we
be
can't afford
thinking,
umbrellas, huh?
Umbrellas are so expensive.
Oh, the really good quality ones are really expensive.
When it's a rainy day, it's really expensive. Supply and demand.
Jones.
Jones.
Hashtag Jones.
to you. Back to you.